So if you're an artist or the designer, then this video is totally meant for you. Actually, only meant for you. So if you want to know about the 5 basics product which should have been in your product kit, then do not skip even a second of this video, because there are going to be tips and tricks in the middle of all of it. So keep on watching the whole video in order to know about the 5 basic products which has to be in your stationery kit. So the first product is the magic instrument, is what I like to call it. This automatic pencil sharpener has been my friend since 8 years and I've got no complaints till date. What you got to do is very basic. Put your pencil above on the space provided. So you just got to insert it from the space which is provided above. Wait for a few seconds and voila, you see the magic. Basically your pencil is sharpened in few seconds without any hassle, dust free, and also saves your time. This is what I like the most because it saves my enough of time when I'm doing my sketching and my pencil breaks, or I need to sharpen it every second. So this is my friend, which is like forever for me. So these are easily available online, and if you're lucky enough, you can get it delivered in your area right now. So go try your luck and check it out. Moving on to the second product. So moving on to the second product is a hidden gem, not known to many. This is basically acrylic color from Fevicryl. It's not only any normal color, these are dust which when you mix it with a thinner gives you a finishing like this. Trust me, these works like magic, and it's also available in many colors. I just bought golden and silver because that is what I found to be used up in like maximum of the production, and it's the most common of both. And this also comes for 40 bucks for each, so quite affordable. And the thinner also comes near about in the same price. So go and purchase one. And for this, if you're out of thinner, you can also mix it up with water because it works in the same way. And after it dries up, it comes back to its original form, is that of a powder. So you can refill the remaining amount back to your container without any hassle. So isn't it magic? So this number 3 is my top favorite, the Micron pen set. So these comes in many shapes, sizes and brands, which is easily available to you because you have a lot of brand options to purchase it from. This is what I call a multi-talented pen set, because you can sketch, you can draw, you can create mandala arts, you can give finishing and whatnot, like many options for you guys. So these set of 6 costed me around 540 rupees, and you can also purchase it individually, like the single pen according to your need of the tip. It also comes in different tips. So for Artline, it will cost you 90 rupees per pen. I do not know about the other brands which also serve for this. So you have a lot of options to choose from. So do go and invest on the Micron pens. Moving on to the fourth one. As you can see, this sheet of paper is basically a transparent one and is the magic sheet called the tracing paper. So this paper makes your work easier. Trace from magazine, newspaper, draw half of it on it and trace the other half. Its magic will never make you fail and makes up to the top 5 of the list. Also, there is booklet available for it, and you can also purchase it for the single piece, which comes for only rupees 3. Yes, 3 bucks for one single tracing sheet. And I really hope no teachers are listening to this. So I'm done with my top 4. Moving on to the 5th point. And the major point, which is a 5th point, last but not the least, is also the most undermined and underrated and underknown, the soft pastel. Now, lesser known but has the greater advantage. Once when you start using it, you'll get a lot of compliments and one would not be able to know what type of medium has you used to do that painting. So this little box of happiness comes for 190 rupees, and this is for 20 shades. So as you get a lot of options and shades as well, like 40 shades, 80 shades. So the amount will also differ according to that. And yes, it is a little messy sometimes and a bit difficult to handle, but when you learn it, you will start loving it because everything is difficult initially, isn't it? So with the end of this 5th point, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video of my version of the must-haves for designers / artists. So I'll see you guys in the next videos with some great content. Until then, be safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.